Today we are going to solve exercise 5.3 question number 3 part 1 without long division. Determine whether x minus 2 and x minus 3 are factors of px is equal to x cube minus 12x square plus 44x minus 48. Let's solve this solution. Px is equal to x cube minus 12x square plus 44x minus 48, and let x minus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. Now try p of 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 minus 12 into 2 square plus 44 into 2 minus 48 is equal to 8 minus 12 into 4 plus 88 minus 48. 8 minus 48 plus 88 minus 48. 88 96 minus 96, which is equal to 0. This implies x minus 2 is a factor. Now let x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Now try p of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 12 into 3 square plus 44 into 3 minus 48 is equal to 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 minus 12 into 9 plus 3 4 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 132 minus 48 equal to 27. 1 and 9 2 are 18, 9 1 are 9 or 110 plus 132 minus 48 is equal to 7 to 9, 3 to 5, 1 minus 886, 415, 1, which is not equal to 0. So x minus 3 is not a factor. X minus 2 is a factor of px. Now it's part number 2. X minus 2 and x plus 3, x minus 4 are